up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin. Let's go. Check it out. Listen very close. In this video here, I'm going to show you how to make a ton of money as a newbie using this Chinese website that's going to make me personally $1 million in the next 30 days. As a matter of fact, what you're looking at the screen right now, I'm going to go step by step and show you exactly what I'm going to do 100% that will bring money into my bank account. First website you need to go to is Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com. Say it with me. Listen, right now September is the fastest way and the easiest way to do it with Alibaba.com. A lot of people, they know about it, but a bunch of people don't. A lot of people go to Amazon, Shopify, and other sites, but this is a treasure that many people are not using, and a bunch of people that know what they're doing are making a ton of money. So what I'm gonna do is show you what they're doing. Alibaba is basically where you source stuff, right? You know all the stuff you see on Amazon.com or Shopify? Well, it comes from here. These are products that you can source for like pennies, right? For like nothing, and make a ton of money. And what I'm going to do in this video here, and I may get in trouble, I'm not sure, but I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to purchase and do and make $1 million. So I'm going to give you the product, I'm going to tell you where to source it, and I'm going to tell you how to sell it online. Is that cool? Smash the like button if that's cool with you, okay? So basically, this is how easy it is, okay? Say if you're typing dogs. If you like dogs, smash the like button. I type in dogs. As you can see here, you'll see dog things or whatever, like reusable, durable, self-cleaning dogs. Now, dogs is a good niche because, well, a lot of people love dogs, right? How many of you, your dog is your best friend because people suck? I get it. Look, check it out. So you can buy this stuff here for $1, like this little clean rust free dog bowl for $1, and you can sell it for $20, $30. It doesn't matter here, okay? But the point is this. What you want to do is, right, spend less and sell more. So this is how the gurus are doing it. But wait, because you need to know what product right now in September, once you get started here, so you can make a ton of money faster. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do $1 million with this one single product. And all you have to do is model what I'm doing. Listen, you may be thinking, well, Wesley, why would you give us that product and make $1 million? Because isn't that going to affect your money? Listen, I'm already an internet millionaire. I'm blessed. I'm grateful. Now I want to help other people such as yourself, men and women and newbies around the world, to show you what people like myself are doing online to make a ton of money. Listen, I want you to leave your job in the next 30 days. I want you to imagine traveling the world. I want you to imagine doing whatever you want to do, flying where you want to fly because you just follow everything that you see in this video here. Okay? So now the next question for you is, well, Wesley, how do you know what's already popular? Write this down. Don't share with nobody. You can like this, but just don't share it. You want to go to the sister site, AliExpress. It is a hidden gem on the planet right now. And people are not utilizing this, right? Because, well, they just don't know. You guys are so conditioned with Amazon, Shopify, and all those other sites. But AliExpress is where you can go to find out what's selling, okay? So if I scroll down here and say if I type in dogs again, I want to see what's already selling in the dog niche. So I just go to AliExpress. Too easy, right? I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you. Yeah, but love Alibaba.com. Look, check it out. You see this? 7,000 sold. So that means that if 7,000 has been sold, I probably should sell that. Look at this, 7,000 sold here, bowls for dogs here. So you use AliExpress to find the product that you're eventually going to sell to make a ton of money. Does that make sense? Because it's already popular. If I'm selling a bunch of this, that means that I or you can get a piece of that pie. Does that make sense? If you're with me, smash the like button. Let's go. Listen, keep your energy up, right? You got to have high energy when you're making high money. People that make money, they're excited, they're happy. So you must be excited and happy now with Alibaba.com. Now check it out. So this is going to blow your mind. So, okay, you say, Wes, okay, get to the point, Wes. Show me the product that you're going to utilize in 30 days during September, which is the best time to get started with Alibaba right now to make $1 million. Let me show you. Look, this is what you want to do. The product is basically grill mats, okay? I've already did my research on it. I spent about a day on researching a product just for you, so you don't have to waste a ton of money. As you can see here, you got grill mats right here on AliExpress that's being sold, okay? So listen, you go back to Alibaba.com. You want to make sure that you sign up for a free account, right? I'm already logged into mine. You see that Hi Wesley here. Sign in yours. Maybe your account is Hi Big Head, if you got a big head, right? But you want to do it right now in September because everything is just super cheap, right? So you type in grill mats. Watch this. Grill mats right here, right? And you want to scroll down and find the most inexpensive grill mats on the planet here. Look at that, 27 cents here, okay, 45 cents here. So you find the cheapest here. Look at that, that's only 20 cents. And you get 5 pieces here. And all you want to do is start order. You can negotiate the order. You can contact the seller. Listen, I will advise you to contact the seller and get a better deal, because if you buy more, you get a better deal. Does that make sense? So what you do is when you reach out to the seller and say, well, he wants to sell it for 32 cents. So all you want to do, you can call them and say, hey, I want this for 20 cents because I want to buy 100 of them. Does that make sense? Now, your next question may be, well, Wesley, how do you know from price comparison? This is what you do. This is a secret that many people don't know, but this is what the internet marketers such as me that do $1 million per month do. And listen, you're going to make a ton of money. Go to Amazon.com. Go to Amazon.com, type in grill mats, right? See that right there? It's no competition here. If they're selling the grill mat for $11, stay with me. If Amazon, which millions of people go to every single day, if they're selling a grill mat for $11, $13, $7 here, go back here. Look, if you go back to Alibaba.com and you can get it for 32 cents, you're making $10 per mat. Does that make sense to you? So listen, if you buy 100 mats, okay, and you're making your profit margin is $10, 10 times 100 is $1,000. Does that make sense? How much money did you spend? Under 10 bucks. So that profit is insane. Does that make sense? That's what you're going to be doing, okay? Now listen, do it right now. Go to Alibaba.com and get your free account. And I'm going to sell the grill mats. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing. If you want to make a ton of money now in the next 30 days, just follow this. Get the grill mats, right? Negotiate. When it gets shipped to you, check the quality of the product. Make sure it's good to go. And right here, the reason why I know grill mats are doing well, because when I typed it on AliExpress, as you can see here, people are selling, look at that, almost 2,000 right here has already been sold. It's an untapped niche. Everybody wants to barbecue, especially in Texas, where I am right now. And that's another thing you can do. When you get ready to sell it, you go to Facebook, go to Texas, because everybody barbecues in Texas. Let's go. Does that make sense? So you just target your ads, or you target the groups, Texas barbecues, and you just sell these mats. You'll sell a ton of them today. Go through the process right now, September. Like I said again, you got to go to Alibaba.com. The account is free. Use AliExpress to find out what's selling depending on the niche that you want. Make sure your profit margin is high. That means if I spend $1, I want to make $10. What does that mean? More profit in your bank account. You're spending less and selling more. Smash the like button if you can do this. Smash the like button if you're excited right now. Listen, I'm going to do $1 million in 30 days using the exact product, which is grill mats, that I just shared with you. Listen, watch the video again. Sign up with Alibaba.com. It's untapped. This is a Chinese website, and they're killing it right now, and you can as well. This is Wesley Virgin. Spend less and sell more. Let's go.